Gandang outfit to.
Sorry, lahat naka-jacket siya, summer. Sino nanay siya?
Morning! So, kakalabas lang namin ng room. It's now 10 to 11. So, we'll be having a surprise place for Jody and Ra. Mamaya nyo makikita. Surprise din sa inyo.
Mami!
Later na, okay? Jacket tayo, malamig sa labas.
Hindi ko na-check ngayon kung ilan ang temperature, pero siguro mga below 20 ulit tayo ngayon. So, itong isa, tagatulak ng stroller namin. Pero naka-jacket na siya, don't worry. Si Daddy lang ang hindi naka-jacket. Kaya pa ni Daddy. Pero naka-pants ngayon. Hinahanap namin yung Chunwon West Station. Raho, look! Here! Here! Camera, oh! Dito! Hi! Oh! Hindi tayo, Raho. Hindi tayo slide. We're sliding! Hi! Ito na kami. Chunwon West Station. You see the green light? Put the money. Push, push. Okay.
That's a flash.
Okay, then press this one. Print receipt and remove card. Press this one. Okay. Get the card. Oh, get the receipt. Okay. Yay! Thank you, ate. Okay.
Money.
There. Press this one. Okay, very good. Get the card. Get the receipt. Get the receipt. Thank you.
Yay!
Very good.
Woo! Galing naman.
Money. Pangalawang lipat na namin. So, third line. Third line na sinakyan namin for today. Dito na kami sa... Ano line kami?
Happy.
Light green line.
Happy.
Wow! Happy! We're now in a light green line. So, going to the surprise place. There is the surprise. So, dito na kami. There they are. We're here! Here's the surprise!
Yeah! Are you gonna swim?
No. Later. You like it? Yes! Ang lamig! Hi, Ate Jody! Are you excited? This is Ocean Park in Hong Kong. Nandito na kami.
That's it?
We're home na?
You want to go home na?
Let's go!
Let's go! Derecho! Where do you wanna go?
Dito muna tayo.
There! Sumunod ka sa kanila. Hindi tayo makapag-reminisce, Mami. Hindi natin matandaan. We've been here way back. 2006, I think.
2006, nung time na
2006.
nagkakilala kami. Hindi pa tayo noon.
Oo. Ngayon, eto na. Meron namin dalawang chikiting. Grand Aquarium. So, Mami, kasama na ba ito sa ticket?
Oo.
Siyempre, yung mga picture, extra yan. Dory? Is Dory there?
Yes.
How about Nemo?
Oh, go, baby. No, don't be scared.
Where are their eyes? They can't see? There's Dory!
Dory, come out.
May nakita pa kakilala si Mami. I think that's Mami's friend dati.
at this! King crabs! These are Japanese giant spider crabs.
Crabs, oh. Ito, big crab.
No, I
Don't know. Crab dance.
Ay, ano ba yun? Halalalala. Marunong talaga tong artista talaga tong isa. Oh, you like the turtle? So, tatanggal na gano'n. Tapos kakainin na niya. Yum, yum, yum.
A large panda is the tita des, and then
Large panda is Tita Des! Busy ako pero narinig ko yun, ano?
Tita Ryan is that one.
Who is Tito Ryan, the small panda?
The big one.
Okay, so bigyan mo yan sa kanila rito.
Birds! Birds! Dito na kami, tingnan namin kung may panda dito, di ba ate?
Yep.
So later, sasakay kami dyan, going to Highlands. We are now in the Lowlands. You wanna ride ate?
I don't know. I will try.
So, kain muna kami dito sa restaurant dito. Self-service siya, ikaw ang order doon sa dulo.
Fish.
The fish is talking to you.
Hi. He said hi. What's that?
That's a red panda. Like turning red.
Like turning red. Oh, ayan sila.
I think the panda is there. There's the panda. Can you see the panda? You wanna go with ate?
Yes.
The panda is sleeping.
Different panda.
That's panda pupu.
That's panda pupu.
That's panda food.
Ito. Pangit mo daw. So, dito kami. Sunod lang. Here is the view. Wow! 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 Para ako nahihilo. What's this one?
Hi. You're back here. Ocean Park.
Pastor Jody! Don't be scared, ah! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! You like it? Papunta na kami sa cable car going to Highland. Haba ng pila, guys. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
What?
Yan ang outfit to.
Sorry, lahat naka-jacket siya, summer. Sino nanay dyan?
I can fly like a butterfly.
Wow!
Ganyan kami kataas!
Going up like
Sino ka?
Sino ka? Kanina wala! Kinabahan ka? No! Mami, lukat na to. Lukat na. Relax ka lang, Mami. Mami, oh. Tapos dagat yun sa kabila, Mami, oh. Mami, oh. Dagat yun.